A nutritious breakfast is the key to kickstarting your day and plays a significant role in your weight loss journey. By choosing the right foods in the morning, you can boost your metabolism, provide essential nutrients, and set yourself up for success throughout the day. In this article, we will explore a variety of healthy breakfast ideas that are both delicious and effective for weight loss. Importance of a healthy breakfast. Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. In this segment, we'll discuss why having a healthy breakfast is crucial for weight loss and overall well-being. The benefits of a nutritious breakfast. Explains how a balanced breakfast can jumpstart your metabolism, provide energy for the day, and help prevent overeating later on. Emphasis on the importance of including protein, fiber, and healthy fats in your breakfast. Common breakfast mistakes to avoid. Highlights common pitfalls to avoid, such as opting for sugary cereals or skipping breakfast altogether. Suggestions for making healthier choices and planning ahead for busy mornings. Delicious and nutritious breakfast recipes. Now, let's dive into some mouth-watering breakfast ideas that are not only nutritious, but also delicious and satisfying. Energizing smoothie bowl. Demonstrates how to prepare a colorful smoothie bowl packed with fruits, vegetables, and protein-rich toppings like nuts, seeds, and Greek yogurt. Tips on balancing flavors and textures for a satisfying breakfast experience. Protein-packed egg muffins. Showcases a recipe for egg muffins loaded with vegetables and lean protein sources such as chicken, turkey, or tofu. Tips for meal prepping and customizing the recipe to suit individual preferences. Overnight chia pudding. It demonstrates a simple yet nutritious recipe for overnight chia pudding using almond milk, chia seeds, and a variety of flavorings like cocoa powder, vanilla extract, or fresh fruits. Suggestions for adding toppings like nuts, granola, or coconut flakes for added texture. High-fiber avocado toast. Shows how to create a satisfying avocado toast with whole grain bread, mashed avocado, and additional toppings like tomato, feta cheese, or a drizzle of balsamic glaze. Ideas for incorporating additional protein sources like smoked salmon or boiled eggs. Tips for a healthy breakfast routine. To make your breakfast routine even more successful, let's explore some practical tips to help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. Planning ahead and preparing ingredients. Suggests planning your breakfasts in advance, stocking up on healthy ingredients, and prepping certain components to save time during busy mornings. Balancing macronutrients. Explains the importance of including a balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates in your breakfast to provide sustained energy and promote satiety. Tips on portion control and mindful eating. Hydration and morning rituals. It encourages starting the day with a glass of water to hydrate the body and kickstart the metabolism. Suggestions for incorporating morning rituals such as meditation, stretching, or journaling to enhance overall well-being. Benefits of a healthy breakfast. Starting your day with a healthy breakfast offers numerous benefits beyond weight loss. It helps rev up your metabolism, allowing your body to efficiently burn calories throughout the day. Additionally, a balanced breakfast provides you with the necessary energy and nutrients to power through your daily activities, keeping you focused, alert, and satisfied until your next meal. Incorporating protein in your breakfast. Protein is an essential component of a weight loss breakfast as it helps promote satiety, reduce cravings, and build lean muscle mass. Incorporate protein-rich foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or lean meats into your morning meal. These options will keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, preventing overeating later in the day. Whole grains for sustained energy. Whole grains are a fantastic addition to your breakfast routine as they provide sustained energy, fiber, and essential nutrients. Opt for whole grain cereals, oats, quinoa, or whole grain bread for a nutrient-dense and filling breakfast. Experiment with toppings like fresh berries, nuts, or a drizzle of honey to enhance the flavor and nutritional profile of your meal. Adding fiber to your breakfast. Fiber is a secret weapon when it comes to weight loss and overall health. It aids digestion, promotes a feeling of fullness, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporate high-fiber foods such as chia seeds, flax seeds, bran cereals, or berries into your breakfast routine. These fiber-rich options will keep you satisfied and prevent mid-morning snacking. Healthy fats for nutrient absorption. Contrary to popular belief, healthy fats are an important part of a balanced breakfast. They aid in nutrient absorption and provide a feeling of satiety. Include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, or nut butter in your breakfast. Spread some avocado on whole grain toast or add a tablespoon of almond butter to your smoothie for a satisfying and nutritious start to your day. Incorporating fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to your breakfast. Opt for fresh fruits like berries, bananas, or citrus fruits to add natural sweetness and a dose of fiber to your meal. You can also incorporate vegetables by adding spinach or kale to your omelet or blending them into a refreshing morning smoothie. Hydration and detoxifying drinks. Don't forget to hydrate your body in the morning after hours of sleep. Start your day with a glass of water or infuse it with lemon slices or cucumber for added flavor and detoxifying properties. You can also opt for herbal teas or green juices to replenish your body with antioxidants and kickstart your digestion. Meal prepping for breakfast success. Preparing breakfast in advance can be a game changer, especially on busy mornings. Take some time to meal prep by pre-cutting fruits, portioning out overnight oats or chia puddings, or making healthy breakfast muffins. These pre-prepared options ensure that you have a nutritious and convenient meal ready to go, even on the busiest of mornings. Mindful eating and portion control. Practicing mindful eating during breakfast is crucial for weight loss success. Take the time to savor each bite, chew thoroughly, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Additionally, practicing portion control by using measuring cups or visual estimations helps prevent overeating and ensures you're consuming an appropriate amount of calories for your weight loss goals. Conclusion: a healthy breakfast sets the tone for your entire day and is a crucial component of your weight loss journey. By incorporating protein, whole grains, fiber, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables into your morning routine, you'll fuel your body with essential nutrients and set yourself up for success. Don't forget to hydrate, practice mindful eating, and consider meal prepping for a stress-free morning. Start your day right with a nutritious breakfast, and watch the positive effects it has on your overall well-being and weight loss goals.